Everyone. So today we are here with a new video, graphic design in the age of AI. We are continuing with our ways of earning money online, and this is part 5. So today we will talk about graphic design. So what exactly is graphic design? As you know, it is an art and practice of creating visual content, right? Mainly related to images, videos, everything. So a graphic designer mainly creates images or modifies existing images and use them in different ideas, messages or information so that the message or the information is conveyed more effectively. Now importance in the digital world is, you all know, daily use in social media, websites, blogs, right? And even print media like newspaper, magazine ads, business cards, events, all of that, whatever printed material you see, it has got some particular images which are created by the graphic designer. So what is the role of a graphic designer? Graphic designer works on branding, creating logos, social media images used on all kind of social media, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and any other social media you can think of. UI and UX. UI is user interface, UX is user experience. Both these things are used for websites, web apps, mobile apps. Then you have print media, business cards, leaflets, brochures, ads, event cards, pamphlets, right? All of that needs graphic designer. And then comes the next advanced level is which is motion graphics, which is not just images but a combination of images or even getting into a video creation, which is not a part of today's training. As soon as you see this slide, you can recognize almost all of the logos, right? Whether it's Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, WhatsApp, Twitter, any other thing. Now that is because lot of ideas, lot of imagination has gone into creating these logos. And all these logos are created by some or other graphic design. So these graphic designers have put in a lot of efforts, lot of imagination, lot of creativity into creating these logos, and creating logos is a major part of graphic designers work, and it gets paid heavily. Traditional tools, you might have heard of some of the names: Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator. Then Corel Draw is also a very old tool being used for graphic designing for years together. Then you have Canva. There is a free version and there is a paid version. And then there is Poster My Wall, which you can start using it as a free tool initially, and then you can eventually move into the paid versions or the licensed tools. So introduction to AI design or AI in design. What I mean by that is, let's understand first what is AI. So AI is artificial intelligence, as we all know. It is a technology that enables machines and softwares to mimic human intelligence. So what AI is trying to do is whatever a human brain can do, the machines are trying to do. We are trying to teach machines, okay, to do what? Learning, thinking, problem solving, decision making, okay, creating images, creating text, creating content, scripts, all of that. So that is all about AI. Now, how does AI is being used in design? It takes a lot of time to create an image, right from scratch. Or even if you take a ready-made image and try to modify that, it will take considerable time. Now, what is happening with AI? You can create a basic image maybe in 10, 20 or 30 seconds. It's extremely fast. You can have new ideas, automation, ready-made templates, right? Or repetitive tasks can also be avoided. If there are so many things to be done multiple times, the same task is to be multiple times, then obviously you can use AI over there. AI is actually not replacing a graphic designer. It supports and enhances the graphic designer's work, it supports the creativity. Designers who learn to use AI tools can work faster, produce better designs, and stay competitive. So, which are the popular AI tools? In the previous slide, what we saw is graphic designing tools. Now, these are AI tools used for generating images or modifying the existing images. Mid-journey. Then as you know, ChatGPT is generally used for textual information, but if you log in or if you use the paid version, then you can do image creation also. Then DAL-E is another famous AI image generation tool. Then you have Canva AI, Adobe Firefly, Runway machine learning. You know, the two images which you see on the screen right now, one is of a beauty product and one is of an inverter battery. Both are created using AI, okay, right from scratch, and it takes about 30 to 40 seconds to create one image. Now, what are the limitations? Why you just can't use AI and stop working manually? AI images lack in emotion. You have complete prompt dependency. If you give a wrong prompt, a wrong image will be generated. Or if you cannot put in words what exactly you want to create, then something else will be generated. Ethical issues are there. You don't know what kind of image you are using, whether it's compliant or not, whether the social media allows such images or not. Needs human editing and may not look realistic. For example, I have created an image using an AI tool, a peacock, a lake, and a garden. Immediately looking at the image, you can see that this is not a photograph. This is a tool generated image because it does not look realistic or it does not look real. So that's what could be the problem. That's why there are limitations, but you can take the basic images using AI and then go on enhancing it with your imagination and creativity. Essential design skills, obviously creativity. You should know which colors go hand in hand, which colors to use, color theory, typography, which font to use, which font size to use, all of that, how to how to do the layout of a particular image, right? Or if you are creating a brochure or a pamphlet, which image should go where, how to do the combination, what should be the text size, what should be the image size, what should be the ratio, all of that is important and these are the design skills. Then you have some technical skills also required. You should know something about the software, then different file formats are there, right? JPEG, PNG are the common ones. UI UX basics you should understand. Print media knowledge, the pixels, okay, how many pixels is a better image, what ratio you should have, 4 to 3, 2 to 1, 1 to 1, 16 to 9, those ratios you should understand, and obviously the search engine optimization. Each of these ways of earning money online requires some soft skills. So the common soft skills are communication, time management, problem solving, and client handling. If you are going to work as a freelancer, all of this is definitely required. The soft skill training image used in this slide is also AI generated image. These are not the real people. So how to start career as a freelancer graphic designer? Number one, learn tools, learn skills. If you already have the skills, you are already doing graphics, art, drawing, painting, rangoli, anything like this, then you already have the gist of it. You already know what are images, how they are to be created, the color combination and all of that. Only thing is here you have to start using the online tools. Then you build your portfolio. Slowly go on creating multiple images and then start working as a freelancer. Start publishing what you have done. Let people know that you can create this kind of images. Then you can work with a content writer, because content writing and graphic designing goes hand in hand and both together can be used in social media marketing. You can do some internship somewhere, You can get a job in digital marketing agencies, or you can get a job in even corporate companies also. Future of graphic design is no more a independent thing to be done in silo. You have to do it with collaboration. You have to talk to different people, understand what they are doing, see their ideas. You have to collaborate with AI mainly. Okay, try multiple AI tools. There are, I can say that at least 15 to 20 tools are there very easily available, which can help you in graphic design. So try those tools and see which one produces better results, and how you can use it in your graphic designing work. It's a tool, or it's a career in high demand. Graphic designers are really in high demand for years together. And now with AI, you can even enhance your value. Digital growth, digital growth is always there, right? From last 10 years, we have seen how social media has increased, how everything is going from manual to digital. So with the digital growth, graphic designers will have more scope. Continuous learning is a key to learning any skill. Design plus AI gives you the future opportunity. Great images improves your engagement. Graphic designing skills contains creativity, basically good for art lovers, and obtaining these skills makes you eligible for starting working as a freelancer or find a job as a graphic designer. Thanks for watching. As usual, this is a copyright content. This is series of videos including training about different ways to earn money online. Keep watching each training to learn new ways of earning by learning particular skills. If you are watching this video, then you must watch the earlier videos about content writing also. If you know both content writing and graphic designing, then you yourself can start working as a social media marketer. Thanks a lot once again. Have a nice day.